case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Texas Courts of Appeals heard the case of ex parte Harris, which centered around the principle that a person can only be punished for disobedience of a court order if the order clearly specifies what they must do to comply with it. The case arose when Donald Patrick Harris was found guilty of contempt of court for failing to make child support payments as required by his divorce decree, dating back to September 8, 1982. Despite the decree incorporating the parties' agreement for Harris to pay $300 per month in child support, he failed to make those payments for several months. Prompted by his lack of payments, Mrs. Harris filed a motion for contempt, which led to a hearing where Mr. Harris was found in contempt by the trial court. As a result, he was ordered to serve 30 days in county jail, pay a $250 fine, and cover the $1,450 in arrears, in addition to court costs and attorney's fees. Seeking release from custody, Mr. Harris then filed a habeas corpus proceeding, which was ultimately granted by the court. The Court of Appeals determined that the divorce decree failed to provide a clear and specific order for Harris to make child support payments. Citing previous cases and relevant statutes, the court found that the decree was not enforceable by contempt. The judgment of contempt and commitment order were deemed void and unenforceable, leading the court to discharge Mr. Harris from the contempt judgment and release his sureties from further liability.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.